What up, y'all? It's trade breakdown for July 23rd. So I caught this short right here, but going into the morning, I was bearish. But in order for me to be bearish, I knew that we had to take out this buy side because we had this 1 hour 22 model right here. Came back to this order block, respected this fair value gap to push higher to take out this buy side. So once I saw we took out buy side, excuse me, I went to a lower time frame. As you can see, we took out buy side and we had a soup right here. So we had the soup on NQ because on ES we took out this high with this candle, but on NQ we took out this high with this candle, and this candle is also a 15-minute order block. So this is the 15-minute order block that took out the high. So once I noticed that, I knew that if we close below the order block on the 5 minutes, then I'm going short. As you can see, we closed below the 15-minute order block, and I have my entry right here to target the 9:30 low. And this was also a 10-hour PO3. And as you can see, the 10 o'clock open right here, we opened, manipulated higher, taking out buy side before distributing lower to the 9:30 low. So that was the trade for today. It was pretty quick, in and out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. And if y'all want to see the execution, I posted the shorts.